Welcome to today's video where we're going to kind of redesign this, but we're doing the United States Marines. So here we go. We're going to use some red leather. Well, here's our base for this. This will be the outside shell. It'll look like that. Well, it's going to look way different by the time it's all said and done. Let's get the next part. Scarlet and gold. Well, as close to gold as I'm going to get. So, let's find my pieces. Now, typically, I don't just butt these up to the edges, but I've already checked to see if they're square, and they are. So, I'm just going to use it. Well, that's kind of it. See where I'm going with this? All right. So I got a 3D, well, it's an acrylic stamp, and I stamped this. Now I'm going to try to cut it out. I put the dots all the way around it, so I can try to cut a big circle. I don't have a big circle cutter thing, so I'm just going to make it the best I can. But this stamp looked really cool, turned out really well. Really happy with it. Well, it's not perfect, but it'll do. Like it. Set that over there to dry. Yeah, I reuse this thing a lot. So I keep it in a little plastic baggie. And then I just twist it. And then I take a clamp. And this thing has been wet for like 2 years now with black dye. Works. Next, I'm gonna get this pocket on here. Get it placed with my little marks. All right, I've got most everything ready to go. I just need to get these edges burnished, which I probably should have done this one before I was soldering on, but this is just how I do it. It's my routine. I'll get these on, then I'll burnish these edges, and then I need to get these attached. Did he say Mason was in the pond? He did what? Oh. Is he back up and playing? Is he good? I'm gonna give these edges a quick little sand before I get it put on. That's gonna look good. So now I'll take these strips off, get this placed, get that next one placed, and then we're going to be ready to place our stitching holes. Buttero leather is so nice. Well, that was fun. And that's my Marine Corps wallet.